Now we're going to get to the good stuff, and that's how to cook something in your Instant Pot. And there's 3 basic things that you need to consider when cooking something in your Instant Pot. First of all is the liquid. You typically need about 1 cup of liquid to cook just about anything in your Instant Pot. And that includes, like, if you're going to do eggs, hard-boiled eggs, you need that liquid in the bottom of the pan so that it can come up to pressure and it can steam. Some things create their own liquid, but usually you have to add some liquid to begin with. Secondly, you have to find out what cook time you're going to cook your thing at. There's lots of different cook times, and I mentioned before that we have a great printable cheat sheet for your Instant Pot with all the cooking times for all the things that you most commonly will cook. That is so helpful, and I always keep on the side of my fridge. So you need to know the cooking time. When I'm doing a meal, I will mentally add in the time it takes to come up to pressure and to release, so I kind of know the time it's going to be done. And finally, the pressure release. There's 2 ways to release the pressure in your Instant Pot. The first one is a natural release. And what that involves is basically when the timer goes off, you don't do anything. You let it naturally release, because when the timer goes off, it's going to shut off. It's going to go into keep warm mode, and you just let it release on its own until the valve goes down by itself. Many times you don't even have to wait that long, maybe 10, 20 minutes. The most I've ever waited for a natural release is like 20 to 25 minutes. And the other one is a quick release. So for things like seafood and vegetables that you don't want to overcook, you'll definitely want to do a quick release on your valve. And that is just when the timer goes off, you quickly flip the switch, and you want to stand back because it's going to spit some steam up in the air, but it's nothing to be worried about. And finally, if you don't know between natural or quick, if you're wondering, we kind of have what we call the magic release technique, and that's where you wait 5 to 10 minutes after the timer goes off, and then you do a quick release. And that usually will work for anything you just have a question about.